On the occasion of the victory of BJP candidates in Nagar and Dhanpur Assembly constituency, the state BJP organized a Thanksgiving and congratulatory rally in the capital on Friday afternoon. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, BJP State President Rajiv Bhattacharjee, and former Deputy CM Jishnu Debarma takes part in the rally. Nagar candidate Tafazal Hossain defeated the CPIM candidate Mizan Hossain by 30,237 votes. Likewise, BJP candidate Mindu Devnath defeated CPIM candidate in Dhanpur constituency with 18,871 votes. BJP candidate Bindu Devnath secured 30,017 votes, whereas CPIM candidate Kaushik Chanda secured 11,146 votes. On the occasion of the victory of BJP candidates in Nagar and Dhanpur Assembly constituency, the state BJP organized a Thanksgiving and congratulatory rally in the capital on Friday afternoon. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, BJP State President Rajiv Bhattacharjee, and former Deputy CM Jishnu Debarma takes part in the rally. The procession was held with Tafazal Hossain and Bindu Devnath, the winning candidates of 20 Nagar and 23 Dhanpur. The procession started in front of the state BJP office. On this day, the supporters of BJP workers beat the drums and rejoiced in the joy of victory. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.